All right,
good-looking
Brian.
7 days.
Yeah.
JS on air now. The criminal trial of raw milk dairy farmer Vernon Hirschberger begins 1 week from today. People already protesting.
Raw milk advocates and the rest of the dairy industry, they're going to keep a close eye on this trial because it could set precedent for other cases. We're joined this afternoon by Rick Barrett of the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel. Rick, this is causing quite a stir, this trial, and now religion has come into the picture.
Yeah, yes, I did enter into the kind of the pre-phase trial for a bit there, but the religious objections have kind of been set aside at this point, and they're ready to move ahead with the main trial, which begins next week. And this has become kind of a rallying point for the national raw milk movement. I mean, there are hundreds of people who are coming to this trial from California, from Maine, from Vermont, from Kentucky, from Michigan. They're coming here to show support, and they're also interested in the results of the trial for their own states.
It is almost funny the lengths that people who want raw milk will go to get it. It's almost like the bootlegging days all over again.
Yeah, it kind of is. I mean, there's an underground movement of people selling raw milk from the farms, and it's huge.
Now, he says he works, he's not really selling it to the public. He says that this is a bunch of people who take care of the cows, tend to the cows, and work his land, and then, you know, they get the milk and other produce and such.
Yeah, that's correct. He set up what he's referred to as a buyer's club, and at one time in Wisconsin that was allowed, where you could have a kind of a contract with members of a club, and they had various arrangements. They could lease the cows, or they could do work on the farm in exchange for raw milk. I mean, there are all different ways to set it up, and so he's claiming that, you know, he set it up this way as a buyer's club.
Rick Barrett, thank you so much. You'll be following this, I imagine.
You can read more about it, jsonline.com. We got a link at our website, tmj4.com. Coming up at 3:30, a family torn apart. The brother